Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for Freelancer. How does your PPC protection help companies get genuine ad engagements and higher conversions? TrafficGuard uses all of the intelligence gathered across all of our ad fraud protection solutions to power our PPC fraud protection. With this product, we help businesses advertising on Google Ads to ensure that their ad spend delivers genuine engagement by proactively mitigating sources of invalid traffic in real time. By stopping ads from displaying to sources of invalid traffic, campaign budgets are then only spent showing ads to people that have the potential to become customers. Bots and invalid traffic have no potential to become customers for your business. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.